what I would do to take away this fear of being loved, allegiance to the pain. Now I fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I would give anything to change this fickle-minded heart that loves fake shiny things. Now I fucked up and I'm missing you. I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, I'll never be like you. I'm only human, can't you see? I made a mistake. Please just look me in my face. Tell me everything's okay, 'cause I got it. Ooh, I'll never be like you. How do I make you wanna stay? Hey, sleeping on my own.
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast!
To the stars, fueled by candy bars. Rides a kid with a knack for invention. With a superpowered mind, a mechanical canine. He rescues the day from sure destruction. This is the theme song. The Jimmy Neutron.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your friend. It is 19 months since I was there and held you in my hand. It is...
Seems like the perfect opportunity to try out the super solubility.
No, Jimmy, don't try it. It's too soon.
Nonsense! All great inventions need a test run.
Alright, but don't try it at home.
Must engage stabilizers.
Now, just make a quick stop at home.
Jimmy? Breakfast, time to come down.
Engaging pulse rockets now.
James Isaac Newton? I see you up there. How many times have I told you not to launch yourself off to space?
Probably 9. Exactly 9. They said repetition is good for the brain.
Then what do you think you are doing?
Last night, I got a message from space.
I repeatedly told you not to talk to strangers.
But Mom!
And the typical shenanigans of Jimmy and Shin familiarizing themselves to solutes and solvents. Also known as salt or halite, an ionic compound with the chemical formula of NaCl, representing a 1:1 ratio of sodium and chloride ions, is salt most responsible for the salinity of seawater and of the extracellular fluid of many multicellular organisms. Sodium bicarbonate is a chemical compound with the formula of NaHCO2. It is a salt composed of sodium ions and bicarbonate ions. Sodium bicarbonate is a white solid that is crystalline but often appears as a fine powder. Sodium hypochlorite with the molecular formula of NaClO. It is used as an oxidizing and bleaching agent and as a disinfectant. Making solutions. A simple solution is basically two substances that are evenly mixed together. One of them is called a solute and the other is a solvent. A solute is a substance to be dissolved. The solvent is the one doing the dissolving. As a rule of thumb, there is usually more solvent than solute. Be patient with the next sentence as we've put it all together. The amount of solute that can be dissolved by the solvent is defined as solubility.
Going down in flames. Do you dream about me? Looking into bygones. Do you dream about me? About me? About me? If we're going down, yeah, going down in flames. Flying around the highway, trying to get away. Don't speak and try to save us from ourselves. If we're going down, yeah, going down in flames. Going down in
Boiling point elevation. A liquid boils at a temperature at which its vapor pressure equals atmospheric pressure. The presence of a solute lowers the vapor pressure of the solution at each temperature, making it necessary to heat the solution to a higher temperature to boil the solution. In dilute solutions with a non-volatile solute, the boiling point elevation is proportional to the molality of the solute particles. Freezing point depression. A solute lowers the freezing point of a solvent. In dilute solutions, the freezing point depression is proportional to the molality of the solute particles.
Hey Jimmy, what are the materials we're going to use? Ink, 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 brain blast. As a solute, we're going to use baking soda, salt, and cloves. And water as a solvent.
How solutes affect the freezing and boiling point of a solvent. First, you need to know what a solute is. A solute is a minor part of a solution, the stuff dissolved in the solvent, that went on from a solid to a liquid by a mixture. Example, pouring salt into water. Next, you need to know what a solvent is, the liquid which a solute is dissolved in to form a solution. Example, water. Now, I'm going to explain how the solutes affect the freezing and boiling point of a solvent. Solutes increase the boiling point and solutes decrease the freezing point. Solutes changes the boiling point of the solvent. When the solute is added in a solvent, the boiling point of a solution increases. One example is if salt is added to the water, then the boiling point of the water would increase to 100 degrees Celsius. This happens because the boiling point is a temperature where the vapor pressure of the solvent becomes equal to the external atmospheric pressure.
When solute is added in the solvent, then the solvent molecules take more time and temperature to make vapor pressure and causes the boiling point of the solvent increases. Adding a solute to a solution decreases the freezing point because it will interfere with the frozen solution's crystal structure. That means the temperature will have to be cooler to overcome it and to freeze the mixture anyway. An example, spraying salt or sand on an iced freeway in order to melt the ice. Mixing the salt decreases the freezing point so the snow will melt.
Lost her curls, painted on lipstick red. Grew herself up and then she walked into a smoke-filled room. A little black dress.
Go, boy. Nice experiment, Nerdton.
I've got it this time.
It's what I am here for.
Look at the bright side.
Even the worst is behind us.
I am Paul.